It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS.
So one thing that happened here is you guys, and I'm gonna like get back and kind of walk through this a little bit more for the viewers, but you guys paid your other company a whole bunch of money. So like Viking paid Patriot $14,000 for marketing reimbursements, basically.
Yeah, why is
So,
that?
so Patriot went negative for marketing because it had been paying for Vikings marketing for a period of time here.
Yeah.
Whereas if we look at Vikings books, all of a sudden, like their marketing gets sideways because Viking wasn't paying for any marketing here.
Right.
So I do have the combined normalized to tell the whole story. And maybe, and Clay, you and I were kind of talking about this. Maybe we look at this because this is really the business that you're running, right?
Yeah.
And then if we want to dive into why is this good, I thought it would be bad, or why is this bad, I thought it would be good. Then we can look at specific businesses. So if we look at the combination of the two entities, and I say normalized, meaning like I put this 340,000 in here. This isn't what you guys actually did. It's directionally correct, but I didn't want to share your exact numbers. The percentages are exact, and that's what really matters in this exercise. Is not what the dollars are, but from a business model standpoint, where are things falling to what you'd want to shoot for? From a pressure washing, paver sealing, window cleaning standpoint, I put 40% in here. My only reservation to that, window cleaning, I usually shoot for closer to 45, just because your production rate's a little bit slower than it is with washing. Washing, you have way more equipment. You have tools, supplies, chemicals, stuff like that. Where this would even go higher is paver sealing, because you've got a whole sand and sealant and stuff like that. So 36% damn near feels too low, which is not a bad thing. But especially when you start throwing in paver sealing, a lot of paver sealers are closer to 50 to 60% cost of goods sold because of the cost of those supplies for every job. Like first you're washing it usually, and then you're doing the sand or whatever. That's almost so good that I feel like we should explore how is that so good type of thing. What is it that you're doing that helps your cost of goods sold? Because originally I would have been like, maybe 45%, because you do some window cleaning and you do some paver sealing, but I left it at 40, and you're still kicking ass on that.
Yeah.
I do think it might be influenced by, your ramp up in March and April that are super low. Granted, like they weren't the biggest months of all the months either.
Yeah.
But my thought was maybe you were not taking wages here that maybe would have fallen in here. And so your cost of goods sold got benefited by people basically working for free, or if you and Derek were working for free and not taking a wage for a period of time.
Yeah. So
For March and April, yes. But then, I think the wages, even the technician wages, because then come May and June, we were paying more technician wages too.
yeah, we went from 2 employees to 5 employees pretty quickly. And then me and my brother both, during the slow months, we cut our take home down as well. So we do take a salary from the window cleaning business, and that basically just covers our bills. And we leave as much in the business as possible at all times. We're not by any means trying to get rich at this point. We want a rich business, but I think in the big picture, our COGS is probably on the low end, simply because we charge a lot.
Yep. Do you guys pay commission, or do you pay hourly?
We pay hourly plus commission.
Okay.
Yeah. So all of our technicians get $16 an hour plus 10% commission.
Oh, wow. That's pretty healthy.
It is.
You hiring?
Yeah, we are. Always be hiring, right?
Always be recruiting.
Always recruiting. I would say we probably pay our window cleaners more than anybody in our area. And we're fortunate enough to have this separate business that, makes a little bit more profit than the window cleaning, but it allows us to take care of employees too. We want, if all of our guys can make them $35 an hour at the end of the week, we're all happy.
Yeah, everybody's winning.
Yeah, you see your employees taking home checks that are bigger than yours. Well, the business is doing well.
Yep. Yeah, especially with that model. Like you've got your floor. We have a similar model. We have a floor at 16. Instead of adding 10% commission to it, we do 16 an hour or 25% commission for window cleaning and gutter cleaning. So it ends up being around the same. It's like that extra up to 25% is kind of the same as the 10% commission on top.
Yeah.
I think you guys might charge a little bit more than we charge. So we better raise our damn prices again. Andy, you still watching? We got to raise our prices. Also, Clay said we got to do more yard signs for holiday lights. I forgot I haven't told him that yet.
Yeah, kids yard signs out.